Ka-chow.
We are gonna start by, and it's gotta be YouTube. I don't want to show them that I'm cheating. This thing came with a toolkit?
Yeah. They give you like three.
I like this. This is so adorable. Okay, Lefty Lucy. It wants us to take off these babies. Ooh, I have 3 hands in this video. This is awesome. The only thing that will fit is a wrench. It's amazing. I'm loving this design so much right now, Nissan. That came off of this pulley while we were doing that. Not helpful. Come on, really? You are very... There we go. Oh, yeah. So maybe zoom in and then zoom out? Mm-hmm. As in, like, you zooming in and out, not literally zooming in and out. Oh, mother flower, don't drop that thing. Don't drop that dun-dun-dun. Okay. Everything that I picked up off of the ground. Listen. That's what I could hear. That loose bolt.
That it was just a bolt?
Yeah, meters this morning, so. I am tired. Come on, you little cunt. Oh. Duh. I have to break that fucking 19 loose. This guy. Otherwise, it's never gonna break loose. Duh. Just over here dying myself. Just leave it in. God, this little bug. Swear. You see it, right?
Yeah, I see it. I'm trying to kill it for you, but it ran away.
That's because it's too busy in my face. My neck's still attached. Flash shield, my nemesis. Can you please be nice to your little buddy? Okay, hang on. Just stay. I got this. I'm also being blinded. What am I trying to say? No, gases. It's like, you want to do what? Any sort of maintenance? Good luck. Yeah, that guy drives past here like twice a day. Oh my God, that didn't fix it. That I don't accidentally drop in this plastic splash shield. Use a small Python. So please don't be. Why would you be so unhappy? Oh! I lubed you up in everything. I can't tell if you're in. No, you're not. Fucking cunt. Girl, is this poop? Oh. I think that's poop. Who lived in here before me? I don't know, but there's a whole bunch of it. What the? Definitely poop.
Yeah, that's poop.
That's huge. That's like a raccoon or a
How do they lay
possum.
that there?
I know that's an annoying beep. Let's see if we can figure that out. There we go. So now while God damn it. Stiff. Did you see that bug? Okay, it wasn't just me. What is going on? Why is my gun not working? No, seriously. Why is my gun not working?
I don't know if he's dead.
It's f***ing dead. I've never had a battery die on me. Yeah. Ow.
Are you okay?
Yeah, it's okay. That's why I wear a bandana. So how is my gun dead? How did you die? Why didn't you tell me you were dying?
Oh, and my camera seems to be very blurry for no goddamn reason. Great. There we go.
Just kidding, those are 19s. This was a test of our emergency system. That would be sweet. Okay, that sucks. Weird sizes, Nissan. Weird sizes. That's an 18. That's what we got to get out. And I'm going to try and do that with the gun if there's room because I am lazy. Lazy. Just kidding. I'm using the tools that I have. And it's not the most brilliant idea I've had all week. Okay, this is something that... No. I just had... Damn it. I was trying so hard with the last video. I don't know if you noticed. Are you still recording?
I just started.
Cool. I don't even know what else to talk. Did that make sense?
Oh yeah, there's the payload. Bada bing.
Bada bing. Your finger's not in it?
No.
Oh, okay, cool. It's just like, don't freak out. This is, no, one more time. No, that was too mumbly to myself anyway. What did I just say? And you can also, is this weird?
No, you can't see.
Okay, Jesus.
I think it's slow down.
She was like this. It's time to take our lug nuts the rest of the way off. Sounded like a flat tire. Something in my eyeball. I like that, okay. That's next. Oh, I broke. Oh, wait, I might have two more. Two more? Two more. JK, I thought I was ready. I wasn't ready. Me. Yeah. This is called car yoga pose 4. The extended left leg.
It's a very advanced move.
It's very advanced.
Yeah.
Ready? Up and off. Come on. And voila.
Action.
Thanks for dripping on me. That's what I always wanted. Do you think you could do a little bit vertical so that we have some like B-roll for things?
B-roll? Yeah.
Pull that mother bug. Get it? Oh, look at how much room we have for activities on this side. It's so much better. Just spray it with some freaking brake clean is what I'm gonna do. Shavasana gutter.
Shavasana gutter. Nice. Oh my
Got it?
God. Yeah, I got it.
Okay. You move from Shavasana gutter. Breathe out. Roll under.
Oh my God.
Breathe in.
Yep.
Grab your hammer. Rounding the bolt. Oh, I'm so happy. Somebody did not over torque these.
Thank God.
Yay. Can you rust in your eyes pose?
We love that.
Oh, yes. Yes. Somebody did not over torque these. You should praise your last mechanic. Oh my God, I'm just so happy. One of them, oh God, flashlight, I need you to see, not whack me in the face. The over the head pose is a very common one because like you can't reach your arm this way, it has to go this way. So you exhale and reach.
Oh my God.
Next week on car yoga.
Dude, yes. Honestly, yes. Next year on car yoga, or next week, we'll be practicing underneath an Acura.
True. That's called the avoid the dirt in your face pose. Generally accompanied with some noise. It's more of a ah and less of an om. There's so many innuendos you can make in this industry.
Yeah, you just gotta fucking ride that wave.
Yeah, that one too. I'm just gonna eat the dirt until we get this done. It is right there. Am I recording this? No, I'm not. That's super helpful. Okay, our air fuel ratio sensor is right. Blah, blah, blah. Do you know how to tell the Wait, what am I doing? Am I talking about what I'm supposed to do?
Yeah, you should probably talk
About the video?
or the differences, like what you see.
Oh, you want the juice here. Okay, hang on.
Wait, I just had it like perfectly angled and then you moved it. Okay.
Actually see where it popped there in the middle. And back to me. For the full video on fuses, what they do and why they're important, check out. Let me know when you're ready. What? Is your car overheating? To learn about the cooling system and all the good. Now, fuck, I gotta do this.
Whenever you're ready.
Oh my god, I watched so fucking red Instagram. 2 cars were wrecked. A Jeep
Bang, bang.
Gladiator. Oh my god, it fell.
No way.
Yeah, it did.
Yes.
We have a stoplight. Oh, just kidding. It's coffee traffic. Let's see if we can get this. Oh. Okay. If it does that mid thing though, leave it because that's funny. Ready? I have to probably toss from over here. This week we're learning about general automotive. One more time. All right. That was nice. General automotive electric safety. General electric safety automotive. Okay. That was a good toss. It does. We're gonna zoom in here.
Okay, the whole time.
We need to start this over.
Maybe we're getting gun shy.
On those days when you can't perform, do car yoga for your confidence.
Sorry, I actually ate that.
Ooh.
Yeah, I know. Turtle.
Like you know when they're like, when turtles are like, eh. You mean when they're fucking? Yes. But they stretch their necks out really far like this and they're like, eh.
Oh my god. Done. I can't unsee it now.
And we literally, it's harder. Oh, come on, Delana. You can do this. You can do this. It's harder than ever to get a job that's going to pay you more than worth a damn, more than, chirp, 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 chirp. Let's make sure, what was my point? Why were we changing this?
Come with me.
Great.
I'm sorry. Okay, I got this. I swear. Are we good?
I just restarted.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Whoa! This literally, oh no, one more time. I have a much better idea of what I want to say. Yeehaw! How harsh is this light, by the way? Is it sucky? Today, I'm sorry, I'm too scared of you hitting that thing. Okay. I forgot what I was gonna say. Okay. You're still rolling? It's right now. Literally, oh, Talena. Come on. Okay. I don't like talking about this shit. Stumble. What was my first one? Wars. Okay. Wars, we have a fucking A. Taxes. Well, this is what came off. Ooh, I splashed myself. This is what came off the bottom of the 4Runner. Looks delicious, huh? Tiny bit of an oil leak. for the full-length YouTube video and all those tips and tricks. Oh, hang on. Okay, so 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 we okay, so okay, so okay, so okay, so we okay, so 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 we're okay, so we're gonna okay, so okay, so okay, so God damn it, I did it. I did an okay, so. Girlie Garage offers automotive education and consulting. Feel free to pop on over to my website if you have any questions. The link is in the description.